Go to Google search bar and give the term all things AI. Now if you search, you will get the allthingsai.com. Click that. So it is in the first web page itself. See, here you will see a lot of AI tools. So allthingsai.com is nothing but collection of AI tools which is used for various purposes. We usually check the AI tools without knowing the purpose of it. So here let me show you the different types of AI, huge collection of AI tools. See, there are various categories. Image AI tools, which is in 2023. So here this one is profile pictures and avatar AI tools. You can have here consumer products AI tools, image editing AI tools, art and creative AI tools, all in one image AI tools. So after, if you click one of those, you will see the pros and cons of the AI tools. So complete details are there in this allthingsai.com. So let me show the next also, video, best AI video tools in 2023. So you can create any videos and you can edit it for thumbnails, short clips for YouTube or your social media. So for this, here we have 5. Actually it has been categorized. So subcategory, all in one video, video editing AI tools, long form AI tools, storytelling and script AI tools. So in storytelling and scripts, you will see script AI, Nolan AI. So likewise coding AI tool, design, writing. So there are lots of AI tools in this web page. So if you don't have any idea about AI tools, just go through this website allthingsai.com. You will get more options and you will get new ideas to develop your knowledge. So recently added AI tools, see here Maya, Flux and Vogue. So here in this Maya, Flux and Vogue are free AI tools. So let me click over here. So what does a Maya AI tool do? It can automatically detect patterns and trends and generate insights that can be used to inform decisions. So Maya AI is best for financial analysts, IT professionals and business intelligence professionals. So Maya is free AI tool. You can make use of this Maya AI tool. Likewise Flux is also there. So it is for meetings and work is also there. The price is also given over here. Plan My Trip is also AI tool. So various categories, see, artificial intelligence, audio, chat to chatbots, coding, design, education, customer and users. Let me give here designs. So best AI design tools in 2023 for interior and exterior. We have Reimagine Home, Room AI, Dreams AI, Designed by AI, Decor AI. See here 3D modeling, logo and brand. In logo and brand also brand mark, logo AI, make logo AI, name leak space logo. Likewise there are various subcategories also there. In education also various AI tools are there. You can make use of it. I hope you understand this video about AI tools. You will get through a great knowledge and idea. See how colorful it is. Video AI tools. Just make use of this webpage allthingsai.com. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, text me in the comment. New viewers, do subscribe.